Macingwane, bekubaleka kangakanani ukuthi kuziwe nala kaMakhutha namhlanje?
uMakhutha ungelinye lamalokishi ahlonishwayo asemlandweni wezepolitiki Afrika naKwaZulu-Natal, ikakhulukazi-ke kuyi-Durban City PD. Kubalulekile indaba yokuthi umlando wakhona uyachaza ukuthi igebengu eziningi zithatha njengendawo yokucasha. La casha abantu abangaye bayisigebengu abenza izinto ezingalungile, phinde futhi nama-drugs atholakala la endagaya abantu bokufika. Yonke lento leyo icacisa ngosobala ukuthi inkinga inkulu kangakanani. uMakhutha sithola ukuthi umphakathi wakhona uyazi ukuthi kunamaphoyisa angalenzi iqiniso emphakathini wawo, la avumela khona abantu bokufika bewakwasele ukuze beqhubeke behlale eNingizimu Afrika ekubeni sekushiwo ukuthi abahamba abantu abangenamaphepha. Ngakho-ke ibaluleke kakhulu isigaba sokuthi abantu bokufika abangenawo amaphepha sicela besihambele ngokukhulu ukuthula, ngoba sesizwile ukuthi kunanezigameko la ekuthiwana khona sekubanjwana nangezandla. Njengoba ngiyilapha njengomongameli Mabhinca, njengomunye abaholi beMarch and March, ekubalulekile ukuthi ngikudeclare ukuthi it's a symbol of peace and continuity of marching against illegal immigrants, yokuthi abantu abaqashisa abantu bokufika la kwaMakhutha nabantu bokufika abanezitolo ezingekho emthethweni abahambe. Umphakathi waMakhutha ukhathele, umphakathi waMakhutha ufuna ukuyibambela ibhizinisi ezandleni zawo. Finish.
Khona abagolozayo Chunu abaloko begolozile ukuhamba, kuthiwa indaba
umthetho awuthatha indawo yawo, ngoba umuntu mayegoloza lowo muntu loyo usuke sefana nomuntu oprovocational, uprovoke abantu kuyibona. We have been doing this 1,000 times in the whole country, and with the zero violence, with the zero system yokuthi mhlambe badlokovulwe abantu bekhishwa. Kodwa iqiniso limile ukuthi njengamanje sithi abantu bokufika bahambe, and we are serious about it, and ugovernment indlebe yodwa useyitshekisele ngakithi uthi uyezwa, and all we are waiting for is implementation, because we don't want someone to say that I hear you. Fana nentombi mawishela ithi ngiyakuzwa, ngeke uhambe uyokhipha inkomo emzini kayihlo usijoyile bola ngoba ithe ngiyakuzwa. Ithe you have sounded and I hear you, but that is not a commitment. The commitment that we are looking for is implementation of the government's solid programs that explains how legal immigrants will be chased away in this country, and we must establish a new relations with international countries, because there's no country that can survive without international relations. But if our country has been in a center of vandalization, where everyone can get in and out, look at Ndotana Shukumba that was killing umfazi wakhe kanye nengane zakhe phesha kwelwane, and iyodwa ikhanda icabangile njengekhanda azocasha kuyona iNingizimu Afrika. If this March and March programs was not in the forefront of fighting illegal immigrants, lo muntu ngabe usuke eEngland wazocasha South Africa successfully, and then ubulala ingane no 5 years and no 15 years wabulala kanye nonkosikazi wakhe. So ngoba ingqondweni yakhe uyayazi i-country angacasha kuyona peacefully. Siyabonga umndeni wakhe akwazile ukuthi nawo uthi cha ngeke usubulalise sonke, uwonile bhekana nengane nomthetho. Namaphoyisa aseNingizimu Afrika, they've done excellent to make sure that they find him alive before he take his own life, so that he can go back to England and face the rule of the law.
Upremier wase Limpopo uveze ukuthi cha iMarch and March ayihlehle Limpopo bazozidilela nama issues zabo. Kusho ukuthini?
udakiwe uPremier waseLimpopo lokho okukhulumayo uDoti odwa nje akathi yena mangabe esesuthi imali yokugwazelwa lapha ukuthi kufika abantu abangekho emthethweni. If Limpopo is part of South Africa and is within the map of South Africa, the repatriation campsite that was there is because of the geographical landscape that says iMusina and Limpopo is at the edge of the border gate. So that makes sense ukuthi abantu abangekho emthethweni babekwe khona kodwa yena akangamakhuseli ngokuthi balungile bengekho emthethweni. I think the president must deal with her immediately because he is against the rule of law. You can't say that we are prohibiting the people to march against illegal immigrants while you know that there are thousands and thousands and millions that are here in South Africa that are here illegally. So as a leader, you should be preaching the gospel of peace and the gospel also of being aligned with the rule of law. Not say that we are prohibited to go to Limpopo. No, soon and very soon, we'll go there to Limpopo. People of Limpopo have been suffering for quite some time as a result of the poor leadership and is regarded as one of the poorest provinces. And now we're going to liberate Limpopo and make sure that Limpopo great again with the rule of law, with the visitors coming in and out in aligned with the law, not just coming in and out as a result of you are my neighbor, you are my brother, and so now I can come here and commit crime. What about the almost 1 billion drugs that entered from Malawi to South Africa through Limpopo Bay Bridge? So now, if she says that we are not allowed to go there, it means she's also allowing all the nonsensical that is happening. He's encouraging criminals to come and commit criminals in our own country on behalf of her.
Siyabonga isikhathi sakho.